கருணாகர சூரீந்திர குருவர்ய பதாம்புஜாம் நவநீதநட்டோத்தம்சாம் குருபங்கி ஸ்ரீயன்னுமஹா. Tirupavai, a treasure house of threes. Pasuram 5. Three aspects from each Pasuram of the Tirupavai has been our theme, and alongside we have also been listening to the story of the Tirupavai. Andal is telling her friends all about the Margari Vrata, the do's and don'ts of the Vrata, and the fruits that this Vrata would yield, and how all deities and gods would come forward to help the devotees of Lord Narayana achieve their goals. As Andal is explaining all these things, one of her friends has a doubt. She asks, "Oh Andal, are you sure that we would be able to perform all this without any hindrances? Because I have heard that we as souls in this world have a lot of sins associated with us, and these sins actually become barriers for the completion of our tasks. So, would our sins come in the way of this vrata?" To this, Andal answers, "My dear friend, do not worry. I will tell you the means by which we can get rid of these sins." What are the means? There are three means that Andal explains. And what are these three means? The three means are devotion to the Lord by the mind, by word, and by action. Mano, Vak, Kaya, as they say, or Karanatraya. Swami Deshikan says there is a tonic which can rejuvenate your lives and give you immunity against all diseases. What is this tonic? Karanatraya sarupyam iti saukhya rasayanam, he says. When the mind, speech, and action are in the same order, are with the same intent, then a man has no worries of any disease in life. And this is the way to get rid of our sins too. Let us always think of the Lord. Manathinal sindithu. Let us sing his praises. Vaayinal paadi. How to sing his glory, how to sing his names. Andal says in the Pasuram with so many words, "Mayanai, Mannu Vadamadurai Maindanai, Tooya Perunir Yamunai Turaivanai, Ayar Kulathinil Thondrum Manivilakkai, Thayai Kudal Vilakkam Seida Damodaranai." The entire Krishnavatara is covered in all these names so beautifully. Let us call out to that Lord Krishna, who is the master of the universe, the son of Mathura, who played on the banks of Yamuna, who is like the lit lamp of Gokulam, the one who is called by the name Damodara. Let's sing his praises. Vaayinal paadi. This is the second karana which is used for devotion. The first was manas, that is the mind. The second is speech, vak. And finally, by our actions too, let us serve the Lord. Toomalar toovi toludhu. Let us do little services to the Lord that would please him. And these three things of serving the Lord with manovakaya is sure to get rid of our sins. Teenil toosagum. All sins will vanish as if they've gone into fire. This is what Andal tells us as a threesome from this Pasuram. ஆண்டாள் திருவடிகளே சரணம்.